Hello everyone, I am Shreya and you are watching Couple on Wheels. Evolving from an isolated desert emirate to one of the world's leading global cities in less than a generation, Dubai has rapidly become a must-see destination. Here, you will find traditional souks rubbing shoulders with the world's tallest building, man-made islands that host some of the most impressive hotels anywhere on earth, guaranteed sunshine and wholesome family fun. Unsure what to see in Dubai? Before, check out our 10 best places to visit in Dubai. Please watch this video till the end and like and subscribe our channel. Number 10. Global Village. It combines cultures of 90 countries across the world at one place. It claims to be the world's largest tourism, leisure, shopping and entertainment project. It is the region's first cultural, entertainment, family and shopping destination. Every year, it has over 5 million visitors over an area of 1 crore 72 lakh square feet. Number 9. Dubai Fountain. Combine visits to 3 top things to do in Dubai by exploring the heights of the Burj Khalifa, taking in a spot of shopping at the Dubai Mall, and then watching the spectacular water displays of the Dubai Fountain. The illuminated jets move in time to popular musical numbers from around the world in the largest choreographed display of its kind. With jets shooting up to 150 meters in the air, it's an incredible sight. Number 8. Gold Souk. This traditional market offers hundreds of stores selling primarily gold jewelry but also silver and precious stone jewelry in intricate Arab and Indian designs. Visitors often spend a whole day here. Number 7. Desert Safari. Desert Safari in Dubai is an uttermost experience that will give you an adrenaline rush soon as you hit the sands, with the car having full potential in terms of torque and power. This adrenaline-inducing adventure is pumped up with an extensive range of activities like shisha smoking, belly dance show, tanura show and fire show. Evening Desert Safari Tour is a combo of thrilling safari adventures and an experience of traditional Arabic culture. Number 6. Dubai Marina. The man-made marina runs along a 3-kilometer stretch of shoreline, a heady mix of luxurious hotels, apartment buildings and cafes. The marina hosts regular community events and markets and is a wonderful place to while away an afternoon or evening. Spectacular at night when the skyscrapers glisten, here you can enjoy dinner on the beach next to the sea or visit a high-rise bar in a hotel for a magnificent view across the Gulf and the man-made Palm Island with the world-famous Atlantis Hotel at its end. The walk at Jumeirah Beach Residences is a pedestrianized stretch leading to a new development, the beach. It's one of the few places where Gulf nationals mix with tourists and Western expats. It's a popular place to show off your supercar for an evening, so watch out for Lamborghinis, Maseratis and Ferraris in abundance. Number 5. Beaches. Impressive skyscrapers, endless department stores, and desert sand dunes, Dubai is all of this and much more, such as its extraordinary beaches that every year attracts thousands of tourists fascinated by the possibility of an off-season dip in one of the most beloved locations ever. Sunset Beach, JBR Beach, Lamer Beach, here are the most beautiful beaches in Dubai. Number 4. Miracle Garden. The Dubai Miracle Garden is certainly aptly named considering that, like pretty much everything in this Middle Eastern destination, it was built on desert land, billing itself as the world's largest natural flower garden. The 72,000 square meter attraction has more than 60 million flowers on display. Number 3. Burj Al Arab. Though it cannot compete with the heady heights of the Burj Khalifa, the Burj Al Arab does lay claim to being the world's tallest hotel at 321 meters high. Sitting on its own dedicated island, its architecture echoes the shape of a traditional dhow in full sail, a type of merchant ship that has been plying the waters around the emirate for centuries. Come nightfall, the exterior is lit up with a kaleidoscope of colors. Number 2. Dubai Mall. More than just a way of entering the Burj Khalifa or gazing at the underwater world of Dubai Aquarium, Dubai Mall sees people travel from across the globe to seek out its stylish stores. The shopping opportunities here could easily be described as endless. There are more than 1200 shops, but should bargain hunting become too much, there are a huge array of places to eat as well as an ice rink, gaming zone and cinema. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. No Dubai sightseeing trip is complete without a visit to the building that has come to symbolize the city more than any other. The world's tallest freestanding structure, rising to an almost unbelievable height of 829.8 meters. The Burj Khalifa is not to be missed. A visit to the at the top observation deck on the 124th floor offers panoramic views that are simply breathtaking and includes a multimedia experience that details some of the difficulties overcome during the mammoth building project. Also, make sure you don't miss the beautiful gardens that surround the tower at ground level. These are the top 10 things in Dubai which should not be missed. But despite all these things, there are more than other things which you will love in Dubai. So for that, you need to come here and visit. Thank you for watching and listening our video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.